Someone asked me a couple of months ago, what is my most proudest moment of my life? And honestly, I didn't have an answer until we got this house. My mom came in, she prayed, and she hugged me crying. That is the first time in my life I've ever felt accomplished.
Have you ever wondered how a guy from Pakistan became a millionaire just by trading and built a company worth over 100 million? Today, we're diving into the story of Umar Ashraf, a trader who made it big. Umar Ashraf started with humble beginnings in Pakistan and grew into a successful day trader, making $22 million overall. He also founded TradeZella, a software company that's now valued at over $100 million. In this video, we're not just talking about his success. I'm going to share with you 5 of his best trading tips. These tips can help you if you're just starting or have some experience. And trust me, the 4th one really changed my trading journey and helped me start making profits. But before we jump into those tips, let's quickly look at how Umar made his way to the top. Umar didn't achieve success overnight. It took him years of learning, failing, and staying dedicated to his trading plan. His journey shows that with the right mindset and tools, you can achieve great things too. All right, let's get into Umar Ashraf's top 5 trading tips. Pay close attention because these tips could really help you in your trading journey. Number 1, stick to your strategy. One of the first things Umar learned in his trading journey was the importance of having a clear trading strategy and sticking to it, no matter what. So what does this really mean? Let's break it down. When you start trading, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement and jump from one strategy to another, especially if you experience a few losses. You might see a YouTube video that promises quick profits with a new strategy, or maybe you're tempted to follow someone else's trading plan because it seems to be working for them. But here's the thing, jumping from one strategy to another is a surefire way to fail in trading. Why? Because every strategy has its ups and downs, and you need to give it time to prove itself. Umar emphasizes that you should choose a strategy that fits your trading style, whether it's day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, and stick to it. Consistency is key. Over time, you'll learn how your strategy works in different market conditions, and you'll be able to refine it to suit your needs. Number 2, understand market psychology. This is a big one, and it's something that many new traders overlook. Trading isn't just about looking at charts and numbers. It's about understanding the psychology behind market movements. Markets are driven by people, and people are driven by emotions like fear, greed, and hope. Umar talks a lot about how understanding these emotions can give you an edge in the market. For example, when the market is going up quickly, a lot of traders start to feel the fear of missing out, or FOMO. This can lead to a buying frenzy, pushing prices even higher. But experienced traders, like Umar, know that this kind of emotional buying often leads to a sharp pullback because the prices get too high too quickly. On the flip side, when the market is crashing, fear can cause traders to sell at a loss, even if it's not the best time to sell. By understanding market psychology, you can avoid these emotional traps and make more rational trading decisions. It's not easy, but with practice, you'll start to see patterns in how the market reacts to different events, and you can use that knowledge to your advantage. Number 3, manage your risk. If there's one thing that every trader needs to get right, it's risk management. Umar always says that you should never risk more than you can afford to lose on any single trade. But what does that actually mean? Let's dive into it. Imagine you have $10,000 in your trading account. Umar suggests that you should only risk 1 to 2% of your account on any single trade. So in this case, you'd be risking $100 to $200 per trade. This might not seem like much, but the idea is to protect your capital so that you can keep trading even if you hit a losing streak. And let's be honest, every trader goes through losing streaks. The key is to survive them so that you can profit when the market turns in your favor. Umar also emphasizes the use of stop-loss orders, which automatically close your trade if the market moves against you. This takes the emotion out of the decision and helps you stick to your risk management plan. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money, it's to stay in the game long enough to let your strategy play out. And good risk management is how you do that. Number 4, keep learning. This is the tip that really changed my trading journey. Umar is a big believer in continuous learning. The markets are always evolving, and so should your strategies. But what does it mean to keep learning and trading? It's not just about reading books or watching videos, although those are great ways to start. It's also about learning from your own trades. Every trade you make, win or lose, is an opportunity to learn something new. Umar suggests keeping a trading journal where you record every trade you make, including why you entered the trade, how it went, and what you learned from it. Over time, you'll start to see patterns in your trading behavior, like maybe you're more successful trading in the morning than in the afternoon, or maybe you tend to overtrade when you're feeling stressed. By analyzing your trades, you can start to improve your strategy and become a better trader. And don't just learn from your successes, learn from your mistakes too. Every trader makes them, but the best traders learn from them and use that knowledge to get better. Remember, the market is always changing, so you need to keep learning and adapting if you want to stay ahead. Number 5, be patient. Finally, let's talk about patience, a trait that's often overlooked but is crucial for long-term success in trading. Umar advises traders to be patient and wait for the right opportunities rather than trying to force trades. This is easier said than done, especially when you're eager to make money or if you're worried about missing out on a big move. But here's the thing, the market isn't going anywhere, and there will always be another opportunity. Overtrading, trading too much, is a common mistake that many beginners make, and it can quickly lead to losses. Umar suggests setting a few rules for yourself, like only trading when certain conditions are met, or limiting the number of trades you make in a day. This helps you stay disciplined and prevents you from making impulsive decisions. Remember, trading isn't about how many trades you make. It's about the quality of those trades. By being patient and waiting for the right setups, you'll increase your chances of success and reduce your risk of unnecessary losses. So, those are Umar Ashraf's top 5 trading tips that have helped him succeed. Whether you're new to trading or have some experience, using these tips can give you a big advantage. Remember, it's not just about making quick money. It's about building a mindset and strategy that will last. If you found these tips useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights from top traders. And don't forget to check out the recommended broker link in the description if you want to start trading like the pros.